Hey everybody, this is a take two moment. I just recorded a 5-minute video and only to realize that I was recording in hyperlapse on my on my phone. So I feel pretty stupid, but I'm going to give it over again. We arrived today in the Kruger National Park. You can see behind me, this is the Crocodile River. And we arrived just before lunchtime. We rented an Airbnb, and we're just blown away by the beauty of what we have here in South Africa. So um, yeah, you can see just a little bit of a glimpse behind me, uh, and then yeah. So we're not staying in the Kruger National Park. The Kruger National Park is just there over the river, and and yeah, we're there to just enjoy ourselves, take a few days off. I've asked everyone at work um, to just take it easy on me over the next few days. I really want to just relax and breathe in um, a little bit, because normally I just go flat out, and I hardly ever take the time to relax and enjoy myself. Earlier today, I uploaded a video for people to watch, where you want to possibly learn about the real basics of computers. So I've uploaded that. That's just to understand just even what a file is, what a folder is, getting organized, whether you're in high school, whether you're in university, whether you're in business or working for someone. You need to be organized. So if you didn't take a look at that video yet, and you're really starting out on computers in any way, I really want to start helping people and give over everything from basics right up until advanced. So it's going to be lots and lots of sessions. I'm not planning anything yet. I don't know what they're about, but I can tell you that we'll get into things like AI, how to use AI in so many different ways, whether it's from an artistic point of view, whether it's from a content creation point of view, um, and just yeah, just join me on the journey. So if you haven't watched it, I highly recommend you do. And I'm gonna relax for the rest of the evening. See you later, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Anything else from my family? What did they say? Uh, Notifications, yeah. Hit that notification bell so that when I post another video, at least you'll be alerted to it. I'm not going into these big videos where I'm going to be editing a lot. I really want to just take videos as often as I can, push them up, and hopefully they'll resonate with a couple of people where they'll be able to get some value out of it. So please also feel free to share it with people that you believe will benefit from it, especially kids that just want to drop files everywhere, and they don't know how to organize themselves. It's really worth watching. It was while we were on our way from Johannesburg to the Kruger National Park in the car, and it's a little bit of entertainment as well, because I have my family in the background there. So please take a look at it and come with me on the next journey if you want to learn anything and everything about computerization, digital transformation, anything computer related and business related when it comes to IT. I look forward to hearing from you guys when you maybe leave some comments, and I'll try and respond to as many comments as possible. Enjoy. See you next time.